Garage fans, thanks for watching today's video. Go ahead and click the like and the share and the subscribe button. Also, down below in the links in the description, I have a Patreon page. You can go donate to that and become a Patreon so we can make some really cool stuff happen, because obviously this is going to be a Frankenstein build. It's going to be redneck. It's going to be hillbilly. But it's going to be a one-of-a-kind. And it's going to be strong and durable. We hope. I am welding it, so don't think that it's going to be strong. You know, well, I don't know. None of my other welds broke yet, so. But anyway, in today's video, we're going to get this mounted to the go-kart frame, the Yerf Dog frame. And we are keeping the steering wheel. And we're getting rid of the handlebars. And we're going to tie it in real nice. You're not even going to know that this was off of a four-wheeler, except for because you watched video 1. So if you haven't watched video 1 to see where we got this front end, make sure you go watch it. At the end of this video, somewhere over here, I'll have a link at the end of this video that'll take you to that video to watch video 1. So today's video, we're going to cut this off. We're going to kind of eyeball it, because this is just a throw together build. None of it's going to be perfect, but when we go to build that actual buggy, hopefully we have a much more level table. You know, we'll have the right equipment then. We don't have the right equipment. We're just showing you what we can do with Harbor Freight tools and a hillbilly brainstem. Okay? The only way you can get these thoughts is by being a hillbilly or a redneck. They're the same thing. People think they're different, but we're not. Alright guys, I'm going to get to it. Make sure you check out those links. Any donations are awesome. It'll help us, you know, keep welding wire in our welder, and it'll help us buy tubing, and it'll help the cameraman get some chew and all that stuff. So help us out, okay? Well, let's see what we can hack up today. This is my thinking juice.
Hacking.
Wow, where'd that come from? I just seen that. Holy shit, it's Friday the 13th already. God damn. Alright, see what we got. You know it's something when the welds are harder than the frame. Make me get the grinder out. Oh yeah, I also wanted to mention, because I told y'all there was a surprise in this video, but you're looking at it on your screen. We got a new camera. I wish I could show you the camera, but I can't because you're on it. So anyway, it's pretty sweet. It's a 4K camera and all that. So the sparks should look like sparks now instead of little flakes. So hopefully you guys enjoy the new video quality. We spent a lot of, well, my wife spent a lot of money on that camera. So y'all better thank her, because I didn't have the money for it. She took it upon herself and got it. I was going to let y'all keep watching 1080p shit. I got a little bit of cleaning up to do with the grinder, don't I? do you think about that, cameraman? You think that looks clean enough to weld and smooth enough to do it? Do it, do it. Do you know what I was thinking, cameraman? You know how this comes out? We take this, get it up on there. Nah, it's not gonna go like that, but we could maybe bring this. Nah, that'd look retarded, wouldn't it?
It'd be easier for your steering if you want to do though.
It would be, but I'm also not worried about that. I think we can make do. We cut that level. I'm gonna cut them nice and level, real quick. But the thing of it is, we want it to soak up bumps. So if it had a steering geometry, an angle like that, it would soak up the bumps very well, actually, honestly. But that's a little bit too much of a rake too, I don't know. Now, I don't have a legitimate way to notch tubing, guys. I'm sorry. If y'all are wanting me to notch it the right way, then send me over a tubing notcher. I'm not going to go buy one for this piece of crap build. Okay? Period. Done talking about it. Leave a comment about it if you want. This is how we're going to notch tubing. Hey cameraman, that looks like a professional tubing notch job. Why is everybody spending money on tubing notchers when they all got a grinder in their garage? And then once you fill it full of weld, you won't even know that you did it with a grinder, right? Ten and 5/8. Ooh. You guys probably already know why I cleaned this. Don't ya? When welding, always wear protezione. Always. Always clean off your, so you can see. See that? It's all clean now. Always wear protection, guys. Hell, that's strong enough for a ride, isn't it? What do you think, cameraman?
Go ahead.
Think we should weld her up? Got our tack welded on there. A little bit more than tack welded. That's pretty strong there, guys. Now we got to brace it into the frame here. And remember, we're getting rid of these handlebars. And we're keeping the steering column. Not quite sure how we're doing that yet. I got an idea. What I do with... Oh God, that's heavy as shit.
You're gonna have to wrap it up soon, Chief.
Is battery dying?
It's gonna be.
Okay.
I mean, it's not dying. We got 28%, but the cold's killing it.
Okay.
Like my old ass.
Well, it's not fully charged either, like it fucking
No.
was. Tell us about the battery right there. I forgot. Yes, it's pretty low. Okay. It's cold.
A second ago it was at 40%. Now it's at 28. So it's like, you know what I mean, not fully charged.
How many minutes were we on?
30.
30. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have to cut that down anyway. Alright guys, this wraps it up for Redneck Garage. I'm going to edit this video, see where we're at, because a lot of this stuff I'm going to cut out. And but we got the front tacked on. I'm probably going to do something off camera, that way there's a lot more that goes on. And that, I'll get some braces pre-cut. We'll install them on the video, you know, we'll do that, go that route too. But please check out the links, like, share, and subscribe. This wraps it up for part 2. And I might release a longer video. I don't know yet. We'll see. See what I'm feeling like tomorrow. But alright guys, wraps it up. Appreciate it. Peace.